really need to get sails down so we can get the sail bags off so we can rebuild them.
Yeah, because this bag's
roach.
in bad shape.
Yeah, they are just, if
This
you
one's in bad shape, definitely.
tug on them at all, they're going to disintegrate in your hand.
I need to untie this here? It's going up to
No,
this
those are lazy jacks. This is,
okay, so leave
that
them
creates
alone.
a sail bag. We just need to unzip this top.
Okay, well, I think I need to undo this one now.
And
Alright, I just got this loose.
huh?
I just have these two loose. We can see if we can pull this thing up.
So this is the boom, the main or mizzen sheet. So that's what actually controls the boom swinging back and forth. There's an outhaul cable on the sail that pulls the foot of it backwards. And I think that's either that or that. Hello, ladies and germs. All right, so what we're doing right now is we just tried to pull the Genoa down and out and found out that the Genoa halyard is actually frozen in the block up top, so we couldn't get that down. So that just adds to the list of crap we need to do up the mast. Right now we're getting ready to pull the mizzen sail down to get it off the boat, and so that we can get the sail bags off so we can get them back and template them and get those replaced, and so we can service the sail. So we were just, Irwin has an interesting setup with their booms where they put all the controls in the booms. So this is the outhaul. Underneath here is the topping lift, and then the sheet comes down here. So what we were just discovering is how this is connected. I was expecting the release point to be a little further up here, and it's not. It's actually all the way down here. So we have to take that little strap off, pull that out, and then we can pull the shuttles out, and I'll be damned if I can remember what the hell they're called. And boy, those things need to be replaced. My God, are those things alligatored. But anyway, so that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm gonna pull these sails down because Gina's only been asking me for 2 months to pull the sails down. So we'll set you up and kind of try to get you some perspective of what we're doing. We're gonna end up pulling it off of this side. So we're gonna get this down, and once we've mastered that sequence, then we're gonna go to the main, which is at least twice the size, if not more, and we're gonna try to do the same thing without killing ourselves. But like I said, the Genoa came out. The Genoa fabric was actually in reasonable shape. Had one little patch on it, and you can see where it's been serviced in the past. But the fabric actually felt pretty good. So I think we may actually be able to get away with that. The mizzen fabric, I can tell you right now, feels a little crunchy, feels a little hard. So I don't know if we're going to get away with this one. May have to replace it, but we're going to find out. So stand by. How we're going to get it back? That's it. Toes. For a minute. Let's see here. I'm just trying to untie these jack lines. Okay. There's the sail down. Our fancy steps. Yep. What we're going to do here is pull this sail off and flake it. Alright, so essentially what we're doing, leave that there for a second. We're going to pull this out. There you go. You can put your foot or your hand on there, grab about the same amount. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like there's another what? Pull your... Now don't be alarmed, but right now the GoPro camera is getting an incredible view of the top of your ass. Make sure that you know that, because it will make it to YouTube. I will make sure of that.
Wow, thanks.
Yep. Stay tuned, boys and girls, for a little Dave crack on YouTube. So, let's do that. showing. This is the leech on this side, so it's going to go that way quite a ways. So you need to pull it out and then grab this side and pull it over. I'm not entirely certain if that's not the original sailor, but it had a short sheet. That's a fucking sail. And that is smaller than the Genoa. That fucking Genoa, when I pulled it out, went all the way to the soft stay. A lot of these straps, the cars are all fucking wasted. They're all dry rotted. They're all cracked and alligator. These fucking straps going up the mast, they're all frayed, tattered. The cars are fucking shot. He said, I'm gonna be honest with you. He said, I know what you guys are getting ready to do. He said, you need new fucking sails. He said, those sails are wasted. They're replaced. It's just got a metal.
Okay, so this is the mainsail. I brought it home to get it stretched out to see what kind of condition it was in. There's the original 52 logo, maybe. That's the mainsail. Almost the whole length of our driveway. That's the mizzen. So we'll get that one, and then that's the one we already know is no good.
Yeah, I think this one we can service and put in for an emergency spare. But there's no way we could run that as an everyday sail.
I wouldn't think so.
That thing would be fucking dog meat in no time. Now, if we're offshore and we blow out a main, and we need something to fucking, limp along on, we're not gonna limp along on that. You reinforced, same way. It's just, I mean, threads are shredded. Like I said, all these shuttles need to be replaced.
Right now we're looking at the mizzen and the mast. The mizzen and the mainsail have to be replaced.
Well, on the bright note, all the battens were intact.
That's
so
good.
That's good.
And the
It's only got a couple.
the Genoa was in good shape, so we're thankful for that one because that one's twice as big as these two sails.
I mean, just roached. Absolutely roached.
But with the type of sailing that we're going to be doing, which is full time, we need them to be
When the sail blows out, it's pretty. It'll get your attention.
fully operable.
It sounds like a bomb.
My friend Dave
Hey, got you.
got him burned out today. The heat, the South Carolina heat, no joke.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta do the bottom.
That was you guys hanging out with mom tonight?
Picture of the original sail.
Hey Sean, that works better out when it's laying in the yard as
Doesn't it
opposed,
do?
as opposed on that dock.
Better than fucking sitting on that rickety ass dock. No, grab that side right now. There you go. That's a girl. That's away. Fuck.
On the squat.
Look at that sloppy shit down there you got going on.
It's
What's wrong
not.
with you?
It's right there in the middle. It's
Come on.
yours. Your sloppy stuff.
Yeah, it's me. It's all me. How many sails you
Hold on,
pulled
you
it
got
up?
that right there in the middle. It's not even hit. You get too much. See? Down. Right there. It didn't get up on it. There.
Well, you do.
Listen.
Hold it, grab a hold of that.
Listen, Linda.
Oh, come here. Okay. Try it again. Keep your hand on it and fold it over. It's that fucking batten pocket.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Listen, Linda. Keep rolling. Look at you. Cooking ass shit.
This looks like it's on
Uh-huh.
my
Tell,
end. You see
telegraphing from your ship.
No, my end is straight.
Roll it up. Oh no, I shut that shit off. I knew this
No,
was
I
coming.
recorded it. I turned it back on.
Oh, did you? Oh boy. Oh, I definitely have to fucking mute the damn
Oh no, I like to play it.
language out.
Alright, I'll make my car around that.
Our 67 subscribers ain't gonna be able to handle that.
That's what happens when you
Oh no.
fold sailbags up in 90-some degree weather.